Welcome again in Kazerne. We're here live during Dutch Design Week, and next to me is standing Giulia Pompilj, and she's going to explain something about her project, What Does Color Mean? Giulia, can you explain something about it?
Hello, hi, I'm Giulia, and this project is called What Does Color Mean? It's an analog machine that works while knitting, and the colors that you see on the textile are all extracted by plants. Every textile represents a specific ecosystem, and the textile you see here on the wall, it's representing Berlin, while the one that is in the machine on stage now is about the colors of Rome.
That's really nice. And how do you find the colors in each city?
So every color represents a plant that has a sort of meaning in the culture that I'm researching, but at the same time is a wild plant existing in the city. So for instance, the yellow you see on the textile in the Berlin textile comes from the Ailanthus altissima. Is an invasive plant that is covering Berlin all over. So that's also like a very invasive plant, and a lot of people are struggling to try to remove it from the garden. And so it sort of has something with it to the city.
Okay, thank you, nice. And how does the machine work?
So the machine works representing the easiest way to see how natural dye works, and at the same time the complexity of an ecosystem. So an ecosystem is basically a mix of elements. For example, the human being, the person that knits, the animal, the fiber, the plant, the biology, and then the water, the mineral. All of these elements, they create the ecosystem. And at the same time, those elements are the ones that create the colors. So natural dyes is really all about this. So you need a plant, you need a fiber, you need minerals and water. So in this way, each step represents a step of ecosystem and at the same time a step of the natural dyeing process.
And what inspired you to start this project?
What inspired me? Well, I was researching, and in Peru, I was doing my research there about native plants and uses, and I start doing natural dyes and realizing that actually my research was also called ethnobotanic, because I was researching about uses of plants and asking just to the people that live there exactly how to use it and what they do with it. And Peru has a lot of colors, so I got really inspired by it. And I wanted to continue this in the rest of the journey in Europe and maybe somewhere else, depending. But yes.
It's really impressive, I think, the natural dyeing and getting such bright colors. It's really impressive. And
that's a lot of work.
Yeah, I can imagine. And you only started doing this in 2020 when you graduated from DesignAcademy.
I started in 2000. Well, the natural dyeing technique, it's something that I'm working on since 2016.
Yeah.
But this research about wild plants, it's something I started in 2018 while I was doing my internship, and I keep on doing it until now.
Great. And do you have any future plans with this project? What do you want to do with it?
Well, at the moment I'm organizing dinners, because I decided that I wanted to pass this into more edible plants.
Yeah.
And so I'm mixing the edible colors with the wild plants and the edible plants, and extracting color from it, and do edible and do colorful dinners. There will be one on the 21st.
Where will it be?
It will be during the Dutch Design Week at the booth. So you're welcome to visit. it will be the first time I'm actually doing a color dinner. But yeah, I graduate from the food department, so it's something we used to do, just weird dinners.
Well, it sounds really nice. Thank you so much. Well, thank you for watching. If you want to see Giulia's project in real life, well, the knitting part of it, you can visit Kazerne. And if you want to join the dinner, the 21st, it was right, then yeah, you should definitely visit that. It sounds really fun. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You did so well.
I went.